I loved Taylor Swift's look for the VMAs, and I found out Pat McGrath did her makeups. I looked online and found the products that she used to make this lip look. We're going to try it out. We have the 3 products that she used: Permagel Ultra Lip in Deep Dive, Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil in Bloodlust, and Liquid Lust Legendary Wear Matte Lipstick in Elson 4. Firstly, we line the outer line of the lips with Bloodlust. These pencils go on so smooth. Now we are going to fill in the outer edges with the Deep Dive. Now we use our finger to blend the lines toward the center. Now we apply our lip Elson 4 on top. Never used these before, so I'm a little nervous about the amount of color. Here goes nothing. I also tried to emulate her makeup for the most part. I did a similar blush, similar glow, and then similar eyeshadows. Obviously, I didn't do the intense eyeliner that she did, but a daytime copy of her look. But what do y'all think? Is the lips the same? Do I need to practice a bit more? Maybe put more depth? I'm not sure. Looks pretty similar. So what do y'all think? Maybe hers might be a bit darker. Maybe I need to practice with this a bit more. But comment below what you think. Did I hit it? Did I miss it? What should I do different? I think maybe hers might be a bit darker than mine. So we'll try this again. Thanks, y'all. Make sure you leave a comment below what you think.